Here are the steps on how to delete a user or employee login in Sage Employee Self-Service ESS. First, log into ESS using either the master user login or as an administrator. Let's delete a user login as an administrator. So from the home page, enter the administrator username and password, then click on Log On. Upon logging in, click on Administrator near the top portion of your screen to see the Administrator menu items. Then go down to the bottom left portion of your screen under System Settings and click on Log On Maintenance. You can either search by the employee last name or the employee ID if you have it. In this case, we're going to search by the employee last name. And simply type the last name in and click on the Go button. Click on the employee name. You'll notice that when you hover over the name, it's going to show the employee ID number. And from this screen, you can simply click on Delete Login. And when you go back to verify that it has been deleted, you can simply type in the name once more. Click on the employee name, and you will notice that it says not created. That is how you delete a user or employee login in ESS.